What's up, baby? Damn, she fine as fuck.
Psych! Bitch, fuck you with your ugly ass. Why am I Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna have a little fun or whatnot. And if it look like I'm looking cross-eyed, it's because the lens is right here. But I just, you know how you just want to look at yourself when you're recording? I'm trying to focus. Okay. Foul. I'm got hair in my eye. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. Oh my god. But okay, so if you haven't heard of the app called Monkey, it's like this little video chatting app, sort of like Uvu and Omegle and stuff like from back in the day. It's like that, but the newer model. It's that mixed with Snapchat. So like people have stories and stuff like that, and then like, girl, it's just a mess. Basically, you talk to random people. So we finna get on there, and I'm finna like troll people and stuff, and like change up my voice and stuff and act stupid. Just do dumb shit. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up the video, all that good stuff. And yeah, let's jump into the video. We're not gonna waste no time. We about to jump into the video.
How you doing, girl? You doing the what's the challenge called?
Nigga, you supposed to be saving our country. What the fuck are you doing? What's up?
What's up? Can I get a rate 1 to 10 real quick?
Wait.
Or 1 to 10 rate real quick.
4.
A 4?
Yeah, a 4.
You bogus.
That was being generous, nigga. You were like a 3. What's up?
Okay, let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
You been banned?
Huh?
Have you been banned from this app?
On this app.
No, this is my first time being on here.
Oh, alright, for sure. So, that's tight. I fuck with you.
That was cute. Elliot. What's up? What?
How you doing?
I'm doing good. You got an Android.
No, see, I got an Xbox.
No, you got an Android because I can't even hear you. You cracking up. What's up?
How you doing, pretty girl?
I would say fine, but I can't see you, so I don't know.
You're kind of pretty.
I'm kind of pretty. Kind of pretty.
Nah, actually, a lot pretty.
A lot. Oh, okay. Like, it take me a minute before I actually feel it.
Word, like, move. Stop doing that.
You don't get that little Vienna sausage out the fucking camera?
Oh man.
I cannot put that, man. What's up?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you whitening your teeth. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That's what's up.
Mm-hmm.
I would ask you where you from, but you can't talk with that in your mouth. Why the fuck are you on Monkey doing that shit, dumbass? Y'all, I am so freaking mad right now. Okay, so this last little clip that I just did on Monkey, I met these group of kids, right? It was about 20 or so of them. And we was talking, they was really, really sweet. And I wanted to they all follow, subscribe to my channel and everything. And I was supposed to like shout them out in the video because I wanted to post them in the video. It was such a sweet experience. So tell me why I'm so mad. I think I'm done recording, so I go check the recording. It was not recording. I'm so mad. But if y'all watching this, the kids who I was talking to, if y'all watching this, make sure you do what I said. Go in the comments below. Make sure you comment, and I will shout y'all out in the next video because y'all were so sweet. Okay, beautiful kids. But I'm so pissed that it did not get in the video. But it's okay. It's okay. What's up?
What's up, Kiki? Do you love me?
You
Are you
like the fourth
riding?
person to do that. Y'all so
Hey,
lame.
where are you from?
Mississippi. I can't.
You from Mississippi?
Yeah.
What's it like down there in Mississippi? It be fun down there.
It's country as fuck. It's not
What
much to
part of
do.
Mississippi?
I'm from
What
the
part of
city,
Mississippi you
Jackson.
live in? Oh,
I
okay,
don't live
okay, that's
there,
what's
but I'm
up.
from there.
All right, where you live at?
Georgia.
Georgia. Oh, that's what's up. That's where my cousin live. He live in Georgia.
That's what's up.
You ain't
Why you
got no
got your
man
face
down
so
there. You
close to
look.
the camera?
I don't know. What you ain't down there? You look good.
What you say?
You ain't got no man down there. You look good.
No, I don't.
Damn, why
Thank
not? How
you.
old is you?
20.
You 20.
How old are
Oh yeah, you
you?
need to get you a man. I'm 27. For real.
Okay.
But you don't believe me?
I ain't said nothing.
Okay.
What's up?
What's up, baby? Damn, she fine than fuck. Strike!
Thank
That's
you.
the
Oh,
right
bitch,
number.
fuck you with your ugly ass. Boy, I'm about to get your goddamn stupid ass.
Hey, she got.
Damn, that was funny.
Oh
What's up?
shit! What's up, Kiki?
Nothing. What's up?
Hey, add time. Add time.
I was gonna say I can't, but I could. You added time too? Wow. Okay. Bet. He made me use my fucking coins. Son of a bitch. Oh, y'all young as hell. Hey.
Add more time. Add more time.
Added more time. I did. Where y'all from? Huh?
I do it.
Where are you from?
I'm from Zimbabwe.
Okay, okay. What? Hey. Huh? Hey. Do y'all watch YouTube?
How are you? How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Good.
I'm putting you in my YouTube video.
Where are you from?
America.
Yeah.
Huh?
You said?
I said I'm from America.
Huh? You are from?
America. That probably was kind of racist. What's up?
What's up? Where you from?
Around? What you smoking on?
Got
It don't look like no
Africa.
gas. It look like some meat.
Smoke on weed. Oh, I got.
You smoking that
Nah,
dirty in the
it's some
worst way.
cookies though. Where you from for real though?
South.
Oh, you from Georgia too?
I said I'm from the South. I didn't say where.
Oh, I'm asking where.
From the South.
Girl, I don't supposed to talk to you. I don't know where you from.
Gotta figure it out.
I can tell you from the South by your bike.
You out here trying to be cool and shit, about to kill yourself. Up here trying to smoke on monkey.
Nah, I got,
Big flexing for no reason. Capping hard as
I got
hell.
hiccups and I smoke all the time. But I can tell you from the South already though by your voice. I'm trying to figure out where from the South though.
Guess.
Either Georgia, Florida, Alabama, one of them.
Nope. Now one of
Ask
them.
more time, South Carolina.
I can't.
Hey, what's up? Damn, you
Yo.
beautiful.
Thank
What's up?
you.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Recording a YouTube
Oh
video.
yeah, you vlogging stuff? That's
Yeah.
cool. That's some time. Where you from?
Huh?
That's
Mississippi.
sick. What are you vlogging stuff?
You can sub my YouTube channel though, since you asking so
I
many
get what?
questions. I
Oh
said you can
yeah, I'm
subscribe to my
down. I'm
YouTube channel
down.
since you
Can I
asking
get
so
your
many
snap
questions.
too? Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, you can get it. I don't be on
Alright
there like
then.
that, but you can get it.
Text it to me.
Bet.
I'm from
Where
Cali.
you from? You from? I can tell the way you just said that. I'm from Cali.
Cali. Cali.
Say it again one more time.
Alright then, hit me up.
Is that a girl in your bed?
Fucking guy.
He got some woman thighs.
He got some woman legs on.
How you doing? Pretty good.
What's up?
Do you watch YouTube videos?
Good. How you doing? How old are you?
Well, I'm a YouTuber. You might edit some time.
I'm recording one right now.
But I do like funny skits, funny advice, funny
just
videos.
did.
You know, sometimes freestyle videos here and there. But I want to know if you want to check it out, though. I got you. If you leave your YouTube
You check
name,
me out, I check you out.
What you do, YouTube also? All right, bet. If you leave your YouTube name in the comment section, I'll follow you back.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
All right, but you ready for the name now? All right, it's called KPX Life. All together, no spaces. KPX Life. All right, you look beautiful, bro.
I got you.
Yeah, but how old are you?
Thank you.
Right. You got Snapchat?
20.
Me, I am 21.
Yes. How old are you?
I know I look like I have the face of a 19-year-old.
So I forgot to do an outro because we got a little carried away. So yeah, thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.